G'day, g'day, Total Scumbag RC. Now this is from the weekend little meet we had at Ellis Brook Falls, 60-foot falls. And here's a little bit of my drone footage. There's more of this at the end of the video. I'll show you, this is a crawling video. Just wanted to show off my new trick. We've got an RC four-wheel drive trail finder, Carisma Coyote, and the TRX4 van down there. That's the van. And yes, my piloting skills do need some work. Definitely, this is like my third or fourth flight with my drone. Definitely getting the hang of it. And with my camera hanging off it, makes it a little bit unruly as well, but definitely very cool. Well, there, Ellis Brook, that's a little view of it.
My Bronco's in pieces. I actually got water in the receiver. Probably what's going to happen to this if I keep this shit up.
So I'm running my Wraith because
yeah, the TRX waterproof box finally didn't work for me, I guess.
Yeah, well that's it. They're only waterproof until they're not.
Yeah.
Because as we're chatting about there, yeah, I had a big problem with the receiver on my Bronco. I'm talking about TRX4s. Here's a pretty fancy TRX4 G-Wagon, eh? That's like my favourite colour, that blue. Here's the TRX4 Sport. It hasn't got paint. That's only 3 days old, that one. That's pretty good, this one. The Carisma Coyote.
Yeah, that's the way that steak is cracked.
And this one's called Van Gogh.
Squeeze the man through.
Complete with Vincent Van Gogh stickers.
Van Gogh.
Very good, Frankie.
Brakes aren't working.
Hey!
Full-size Mercedes as well.
What the hell is that?
Size of me.
So cute. Okay, come on.
Little doggies on a mission. I had to include them because I don't know, they're dogs.
That's what happens when you bring your whole shed in the back of your ute.
Well, at least we've got Grace.
Yeah, my race didn't fit.
Yeah, Greg's brand new TRX4 Sport, so he didn't want to take it underwater. But maybe one day he will, eh? He got a little bit wet. What do you think of the clear body? Like, he's obviously going to paint it. But there's something about that clear body. At first I was like, but by the end I was like, hey, I can see your little ESC and see all the wires. I liked it.
They'll both fall if we go up here.
Shout out to the little kid and his dad who came along. I just wanted to check out what we were all about.
Yeah, my tyres aren't that grippy.
I gave the little kid a bit of a go of my Wraith. Maybe I should tuck that wire in there.
TRX.
It's like a study of the TRX. You can see everything going on. Maybe he needs like a clear gearbox and receiver box and everything.
Sorry, mate. There you go.
Oh, Greg! How are you going to get it down?
When I saw him going up there, I definitely expected that TRX4 Sport to be rolling down the hill. There's pretty steep stuff here, and there's a bit of a walkway behind us, but this is like right on the edge of the cliff. Sort of wasn't really planning on going all the way up there until he got up there. I had to try. Tyres on the Wraith, not perfect. Van Gogh, go, Van Gogh. Get up that shit.
It's going to tumble trying to turn around, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll give you some space. Thank you.
I don't want to reverse, I want to turn around. How? It's going to tumble.
Bye, Van.
I'm happy with the money I've spent. Good sound. Now I'm happy with the money I've spent. I like what you've done with your
We're very carefully just turning around at the top here.
Yeah, right.
I forgot to. I'm not doing
And then perfect run down without any incidents.
Nearly broke out of
Well, you know.
I got up there and turned around though, which wasn't that easy.
Look at his truck bed full of stuff there. Here's a little shot just from the lookout. So it gets quite steep. A lot of stairs, so we had to carry our trucks a little bit to get up to where we wanted to crawl. Here's just a couple of shots of the beautiful spot. That is 60-foot falls, Ellis Brook. And this is like the next lookout up the stairs, a bit closer to the falls. These are the best views you get of the waterfall, because when you're at top, obviously you can't really see it so much. A lot of rain lately. What a beautiful day.
That looks like it's the shallows.
Probably a bit too much water for the Wraith after... Well, you can check one of my previous videos. I'm pretty sure it's called Axial Wraith Stacks It Into a Pond. Yeah. The Wraith performed really quite well today. And I'm not saying that as some prelude to it getting fucked up. But no, it's still going. Drove out of there. So this is the top of the waterfall, the rock at top waterfall. This water is flowing down and going to take the fall pretty soon.
I almost reckon you better straight through there. Stop sticking my hand out.
Good work, Van. Good work. So if you were to somehow float down this shallow water, yeah, you wouldn't be too far to coming off the cliff down the falls just there. You can sort of almost, can you imagine it dropping away just there, yeah. No, you give it another 20 feet past what you can see. Very brave, mate, taking your new truck in the creek. Oh, look, he's running the Hobby Wing 1080 there, isn't he?
it would be good to go up it too.
Yeah.
Just got to be careful his tools don't wash away when he rolls it into the river here.
Loaded with spares. It's a great truck, mate. Cheers, mate. Hey, go and grab my Axial over there. Yeah, nice. Frankie, you coming with me? You go first. Nah, together.
Together, Frankie! Fun in the water. So we were just crossing here for fun before, now we're crossing because we're going this way.
Carried this car halfway up the bloody hill.
Come on, mate, get us through.
Not everyone's so keen to send their cars through the water.
Oh, that's not the way,
Frankie never was, but then he got this van with the Hobby Wing axe,
Yeah,
and now he
commit to the
can't
deep
keep
part.
him out. He's like a little water baby.
What are those diamonds doing now? Okay, maybe not that line.
I let it go to a point, eh, and then I pull her out, eh?
So, oh yeah, I rescued him there. So we sort of got a little bit separated. There's half the group stopped for a breakdown, and then I sort of got caught in between them by myself. So this part of the video is me just climbing a rock, looking for a spot to sit and eat my sandwich, and waiting for the group that was behind to catch up. But I think it all caused a bit of confusion. I think we got split up, went different ways and all that. But anyway, thanks to everyone that came down. It was a great day. But video's still going for a bit, but it's just like one half of the group. And there they are. I was sitting on the rock here eating my sandwich for about 15 minutes.
Yeah, bro.
And they came wandering down the path and we joined them and tried to go find everyone else.
Follow the leader.
So yeah, there's a fun bit down the hill. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we came down that trail and we turned right, and then the rest of the group that was ahead of us turned left and waited at the top of the waterfall. So a bit of confusion, not to worry. I'm sure everyone had a great day.
My poor Diff. Smacking so many rocks. Look at that go.
It was actually quite fun driving down here all together, hey? Enough room to walk side by side and see your trucks and have a run. Yeah. Clomp. Clomp, 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 clomp. Bang, 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 bang.
Absolute weapon. I'm not trying. You reckon?
See if you can do 2 stairs at once.
Bang, 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 boom. Doo-dum, 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 doo-dum. Ah, flash crush, fuck!
Yeah, my bad.
Okay, sorry about that. This is so the top view. This is where I was firing the drone in that area down there. Yep.
Beautiful, thank you. You don't go the easy road, do you, mate? Yeah, wicked.
Mate, the water's so tempting. How can you not go for a swim? Well, this guy couldn't contain himself. He needed to get in there. Tools and all. The Wraith, I couldn't send it. It was a bit deep. That would just fill my receiver box. I need to seal it up. Oh, such a pristine, nice place. Pristine, it's a fucking quarry. Let's do some burnouts.
This is a pretty good bit here.
And this is the end of the crawling. I've got a little bit more of my drone footage coming up after this. But yeah, we sort of climbed down, crossed the creek and into our cars. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Tell Scumbag RC and the West Australian RC Rock Crawlers Facebook page. That's champions. So it's not a lot of drone footage. It's my Tony Hawk Freestyle 2S little drone with my Insta360 stuck on the top of it, throwing it out of whack. Definitely, yeah, still learning, having a great fun with it. A few fairly rough landings, but everything's intact. It's pretty lightweight. So I've just tagged this on to the end of the crawling video, and this little bit at the start, obviously, so you can have a look. And I'll stop talking now. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
it.